Have you ever felt the soothing vibration of sound enveloping you? Let's dive into the mesmerizing world of Himalayan singing bowls. The origins of these bowls may be shrouded in mystery, but their impact on spirituality and healing is undeniable. Historians suggest the roots of singing bowls lie in Nepal, blending metallurgy, spirituality, and healing. For around 2,500 to 3,000 years, these bowls have been used as tools for meditation and healing. Each bowl is crafted from sacred metals, believed to carry celestial powers. Can you hear the stars singing? Gold, silver, copper, and others manifest unique vibrations that resonate in healing rituals. Isn't that incredible? But these bowls do more than just produce sounds. They harmonize your chakras and dissolve blockages. Imagine entering a deep meditative state with just the gentle hum of a singing bowl. Pure bliss, right? The knowledge of crafting these bowls was passed down through generations, mostly through oral traditions, a treasure trove of wisdom. These practices continue to thrive in Nepal, merging the old with the new while staying true to their roots. Amazing, huh? Fast forward to the mid-20th century, when singing bowls started to capture the world's attention. Who knew they'd become so popular? Now, you can find these bowls in yoga studios and therapy centers across the globe. The sound healing revolution is real. Though often called Tibetan bowls, their true essence lies in the rich traditions of Nepal. Let's not forget that. The Himalayan singing bowl isn't just an instrument. It's a bridge connecting ancient practices with modern wellness. As you explore sound healing, remember that these bowls carry centuries of craftsmanship, spirituality, and healing. Happy sound healing journey. Dive into the serenity and let the vibrations guide you to inner peace.